Looking for the perfect work monitor can feel overwhelming with so many options out there. But today, I'm breaking down the 7 best monitors that'll actually make a difference in your daily life. Whether you're editing videos all day, coding into the night, or just need something reliable that won't strain your eyes, I've got you covered. We'll start with the standard 27-inch displays and finish with the impressive ultra-wide options. All the purchase links are in the description below, so let's dive in. First up is the ASUS ProArt Display PA279CRV, and this one's all about color accuracy. If you're a photographer, video editor, or designer, this monitor shows colors exactly as they should be, right out of the box. No calibration headaches, no guessing if that shade of blue is actually what your client will see. The 4K resolution means everything is razor sharp, and here's a game changer. It charges your laptop with 96 watts through a single USB-C cable. So one cable handles your display and power, cleaning up your desk instantly. Here's something most reviews won't tell you. This monitor can actually save you money in the long run because you won't need to buy a separate laptop dock or color calibration tool, which together could cost hundreds more. The stand adjusts every which way, so you can position it perfectly without buying a monitor arm. Now, it's not the brightest option and blacks can look a bit washed out in dark rooms, but for creative work where color matters more than anything else, this is the one professionals trust. If your work involves anything where colors need to be perfect, whether that's retouching photos or creating marketing materials, this monitor pays for itself by getting it right the first time. The HP Series 5527 SA is what I'd recommend to most people setting up a home office. At a budget-friendly price, you're getting features that actually matter for daily use. The screen runs at 100 Hz, which makes everything feel smoother, from scrolling through documents to moving windows around. Many people don't realize that higher refresh rates aren't just for gaming. They reduce eye strain during regular work because your eyes don't have to work as hard tracking movement on screen. HP built in legitimate eye protection technology that reduces blue light without making everything look yellow, and after 8 hours of work, your eyes will thank you. The built-in speakers are surprisingly good, handling your Zoom calls and background music without needing extra desk space for speakers. Sure, it's Full HD rather than 4K, but honestly, for spreadsheets, email, and general work, you probably won't notice. What you will notice is how comfortable it is to use all day long. This is perfect for remote workers, students, or anyone who wants a reliable monitor without overthinking it. Now, if you're a Mac user, stop everything and look at the BenQ MA270U. This monitor basically becomes part of your Mac. Your keyboard's brightness and volume controls work with the monitor automatically. It matches your Mac's colors perfectly, and it charges your MacBook with enough power to handle even the Pro models. Imagine sitting down at your desk, connecting one cable, and everything just works. No fiddling with settings, no color mismatches between your laptop and monitor screens. If you're switching between your laptop screen and external monitor frequently, having perfectly matched colors means you won't have to mentally adjust every time you move windows between screens, which is exhausting over a full workday. The 4K resolution makes text incredibly crisp, which matters when you're staring at code or documents all day. The plastic build might feel less premium than you'd expect, but the Mac integration is so smooth that Mac users often say they can't go back to regular monitors. If you live in the Apple ecosystem and want a monitor that feels like Apple designed it for you, this is it. Next up is Dell's S2725QS, which brings something special to the table. Unlike most 4K monitors that feel a bit sluggish, this one runs at 120 Hz, making everything buttery smooth. If you're someone who switches between work and gaming, or you just appreciate responsive displays, this hits the sweet spot. Colors look great for photo editing or design work, and the anti-glare coating means you can actually see your screen even with windows behind you. Pro tip: if you wear glasses, good anti-glare coating like this can eliminate those annoying reflections of overhead lights that create bright spots on your screen. The white design looks clean and modern, fitting nicely into contemporary offices. The built-in speakers handle system sounds and video calls just fine, though you'll want dedicated audio for music or movies. The combination of sharp 4K detail with that smooth 120 Hz refresh rate is something you rarely find at this price point. This Dell really shines when you need both crystal clear text for work and fluid motion for everything else, making it one of the most versatile monitors on this list. The BenQ GW2791 is our most affordable option, but it's packed with features that prevent eye strain. BenQ included a sensor that automatically adjusts brightness based on your room lighting, plus a reading mode that makes text easier on the eyes during long document sessions. This automatic brightness adjustment might seem minor, but it prevents that afternoon headache you get when your monitor is too bright in the morning or too dim in the evening as lighting changes. Multiple blue light settings mean you can work late without that wired but tired feeling. At 100 Hz, it's smooth enough for comfortable daily use. The resolution is Full HD, which means it's not the sharpest option here, but for general office work, writing, and web browsing, it's absolutely fine. This is ideal for students pulling all-nighters, writers who spend hours with documents, or anyone sensitive to eye strain. Think of it as the monitor that takes care of your eyes while you focus on your work. Let's talk about the game changers, the ultrawides. The Dell S2725QS is like having two monitors without the annoying gap in the middle. The 34-inch curved screen wraps around your vision, giving you space to have multiple windows open simultaneously. Imagine your email on the left, main project in the center, and reference materials on the right, all visible at once. The curve feels natural after about 5 minutes, and here's the surprise. The speakers are actually good enough to be your only computer audio. Research shows that ultra-wide monitors can increase productivity by up to 30% because you spend less time switching between windows and more time actually working. Plus, the curve reduces the eye movement needed to see edge content. The high contrast makes everything pop, especially if you work with videos or images. Some people find curves weird for design work with straight lines, but for productivity and multitasking, this monitor changes how you work. If you're tired of constantly alt-tabbing between windows, or you work with wide spreadsheets or video timelines, this ultra-wide will feel like a revelation. Finally, the LG 34WR55QKB brings that ultra-wide experience to a more accessible price point. You still get that massive curved screen real estate, and it includes USB-C charging for your laptop plus a height-adjustable stand. Having a height-adjustable stand might not sound exciting, but proper monitor height where the top of your screen is at eye level can eliminate neck pain that builds up over months of computer work. The screen has blue light reduction built in, helping with eye comfort during long sessions. It's not quite as sharp or smooth as the Dell Ultrawide, but you're getting that transformative ultra-wide workspace for less money. Perfect for someone curious about ultra-wide monitors who doesn't want to invest top dollar, especially if you do lots of multitasking or data analysis where that extra width really helps. So who should buy what? Creative professionals who need perfect colors should go with the ASUS ProArt, or the BenQ if you're on Mac. The Dell S2725QS is your best all-around choice if you want something great for both work and entertainment. Quick tip: if you can only afford one good monitor, invest in a better single display rather than two mediocre ones. Your eyes and productivity will thank you. For most home offices and students, the HP 527SA offers everything you actually need at a great price. If eye strain is your main concern, the BenQ GW2791 is specifically designed to keep your eyes comfortable. And for the ultra-wide experience, the Dell S3425QS is the premium choice with great speakers included, while the LG gets you that massive workspace without the premium price. Remember, the best monitor is the one that solves your specific problems. If you're squinting by the end of the day, prioritize eye care features. If you're constantly juggling windows, go ultra-wide. If colors in your work need to be perfect, invest in color accuracy. All the links are in the description below. Hit subscribe for more tech reviews that actually help you choose, and thanks for watching.